Hello everyone! Since 2015, Women and Girls in Science Day has been celebrated on the 11th of February to recognize the important role that women plays in science and technology. This year, we celebrate the 10th Women and Girls in Science Day. Women's participation in scientific research has grown over the years, but is still insufficient in many areas. According to recent data at the European level, women represented 32.8% of all researchers in 2018, but their career progression is limited. It is estimated that women reach principal investigator positions at a rate 20% lower than men. In addition, female researchers face more unstable working conditions. In 2019, 11.1% of female researchers in the EU work part-time and on precarious contracts, compared to 7.2% of men. Furthermore, the figures for gender-based violence in science are also alarming. In 2021, 66% of female scientists report having experienced gender-based violence. All this data show us the importance of this day. In order to give visibility to the contributions of women scientists, the students of the TCCM Master are pleased to present this short video in honor of all the women scientists, and especially to Petra Imhof. Petra is a theoretical chemist, a field in which the presence of women is even lower than in other scientific fields. We believe that spreading the word about her career and achievement is an essential step towards promoting equal opportunities, inspiring more women to enter the world of science and encouraging women's participation in the field.
Petra Imhof is a prominent German scientist in the field of computational chemistry. She currently is a professor for computational chemistry at the Department of Chemistry and Pharmacy at the Friedrich-Alexander-Universität of Erlangen-Nuremberg and serves as the technical director of the Computer Chemistry Center. Imhof began her academic journey at Heinrich-Heine University in Düsseldorf, where he studied chemistry and obtained her PhD in 2001 with a thesis on laser spectroscopy combined with molecular simulations. After earning her doctorate, she completed a postdoctoral fellowship at the Max Planck Institute for Cold Research. Then she pursued a second postdoctoral fellowship at the Interdisciplinary Center for Scientific Computing at the University of Heidelberg, where she began to establish her career in computational chemistry. In 2011, she took an interim professorship in scientific computing in the life sciences in Heidelberg. 2 years later, in April 2013, she was appointed to the WB2 professorship of the theoretical physics of molecular biosystems at the Freie Universität Berlin. In 2019, she moved to Norway, where she held a professorship in chemistry at the University of Stavanger until February 2020. In March of the same year, she joined Friedrich-Alexander-Universität, assuming higher responsibilities and contributing to various advanced research centers. Nowadays, the research group of Professor Petra Imhof uses computational simulations to study the chemical and physical processes in biological macromolecules like proteins and enzymes. Their work focuses on molecular dynamics, enzyme reaction pathways, and protein-DNA interactions, employing QMMM approaches. They also explore biomimetic enzyme design and DNA repair mechanisms to understand sequence recognition and damage removal.
Professor Petra Imhof has made significant contributions to the field of computational chemistry, with a particular focus on studying chemical and physical processes in biological macromolecules, such as enzymes and DNA, through computer simulations. From the beginning of her academic career, she has engaged in the study of DNA, a topic she continues to explore. This commitment is evident in this paper published in 2022, where she investigates the differences in water dynamics around two DNAs to aid mispair discrimination. Although her initial work centered on DNA, throughout her career, Professor Imhof has participated in a wide range of projects involving various biological systems. For instance, in this study, she analyzed drug binding mechanisms. Her findings provide valuable insights for designing more effective drugs. highlighting the importance of understanding protein-substrate interactions. In addition, her research into enzymatic catalysis is exemplified in this other publication from 2018. Here she employed hybrid quantum mechanics, molecular mechanics methods to explore enzyme reaction mechanisms, enhancing our understanding of amino acid metabolism. Moreover, Professor Imhof's work in photobiology and photomedicine investigates how light induces molecular changes in biological systems. This research has important implications for the development of photoresponsive drugs and for understanding light-driven biochemical processes. Another key aspect of her research is protonation dynamics. In this paper, published in 2023, she examined how protonation states influence hydration and interactions within cytochrome C oxidase, an essential enzyme for cellular respiration. This work contributes to the understanding of proton transport in bioenergetics, which is crucial for processes like ATP synthesis. Through these studies, Professor Imhof demonstrates her dedication to unraveling the molecular mechanics that underlie the essential biological processes. She utilizes advanced computational tools to tackle complex questions in biochemistry and molecular biology, reinforcing her position as a leading figure in her field.
To sum up, although the presence of women in science is increasing a little more each year, it remains a field with a significant gender gap. This gap is even larger in the theoretical chemistry field, and that's why we are pleased to present the work of Professor Petra Imhof. The studies of Dr. Petra Imhof have been published in important journals of science throughout the years, such as Nature and ACS publication, among others. The quality of her use has been recognized by the scientific community throughout the years, and specifically in the theoretical chemistry field. Her contribution have not only been a breakthrough in the theoretical chemistry field, among others such as medicine, but also has inspired other women to start their careers as scientists. As students of MSc in theoretical chemistry and computational modeling, it has been a pleasure to immerse ourselves in the career of such a scientist, and also to be able to share acknowledgement with her during her stay in Zaragoza.